You want to say anything, Bethany? Oh boy. Okay guys, so our cat has a lot of fleas right now because it's flea season, and so we're going to give her a flea bath. And so one of the ways it's recommended to do that is to use dish soap. And so we just got the bath ready in here. See, she already knows that she's going to be getting in the bath soon. So here we go. Oh, I need to test the temperature.
I tested it.
That's good? Oh, Bethany, I'm sorry, kitty. I'm sorry, baby. We gotta clean you off. You have a lot of fleas. Oh, I'm sorry. She's like, you're supposed to cut my hair first. Alright, start with that, baby. Let's get all those fleas out of there. You're okay, Bethany. You're okay, kitty cat. Make sure you're all clean, okay? Every last one of these fleas out, okay? Drizzle some syrup on you. Okay, here we go, kitty cat. Here we go. Some of the street. No, you're fine. I got you. Say hi. Oh, there's a flea right now in your nose. There's a lot of things she doesn't like. This is one of them. You're almost done. Make sure we get all these fleas out of you, baby. You're a kitty cat. Let's see if you have any fleas. Woo! One on my hand. One on my hand. That should be good. Guys, so we're putting on the coconut oil to help keep any future fleas off of her. We did that last year and it actually worked out pretty well.
Yeah, it's natural, so it won't hurt.
Alright, well there you have it. She's all good. She's all happy too. Huh? Yeah, happy kitty. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment below and let me know what you guys think, and feel free to like and subscribe.